Gardner here with another short. And Meiwa sweet kumquat. This is an update. As many blooms as you see is possible fruit. Last year, I think I got about 8. As you can see, look how many are coming this year. Meiwa sweet kumquat. What I'm looking at is my Meiwa sweet kumquat. Last year, we had a taste test with some classmates. This year, it's budding again. As you can see, all the white buds. I noticed this the other week. There's the first Meiwa, and we have a Meiwa coming right here. So this tree should be fully developed possibly in the winter time. It is now September 16th, so stay tuned. This tree, this is the 3rd time is fruited or budded. This is gonna have a lot of fruit on it. Wow, this is the most I've ever seen. So pretty soon it's gonna be time to take this in the house. Your Weekend Gardener, and I'm out.